Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are located in Granbury, Texas, taking a look at another gorgeous luxury home. And I want to give a huge thank you to the listing agent, Amanda Ryan, for making the tour possible. Also, the builder, Ryco Homes, and I'll make sure to leave all of the information in the description below. Now, starting on the outside, family, we have the brick, natural stone, and the siding, and it looks wonderful. Now, the natural stone will extend on the inside as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. You're situated on 1.137 acres. You have plenty of space in the front yard, and we'll see the back a little bit later on. Now, as we do continue, you have this long driveway here that leads you to your 3-car garage, and you can get in and out with ease. Now, as we do continue, you are situated in Stewart Ranch. You have 75 home sites here, ranging from 1 acre to 11 acres. Now, as we do continue, you have this massive covered front porch extends over here to the left. You see the lanterns on the outside. Look at that natural stone, the steeply pitched gables. Wow, I can go on and on. Now, let's go ahead and show you the size of the covered front porch. You got the wood columns, as you can see. And then you got the steel front door with the textured glass. And it even extends over here. So they are just getting started here, only a few homes up as we speak. So you might want to get in while you can. Now, I really love this front door. I have to show you this. So from the inside, you see the textured glass, and then you open this up and take a look at that. Almost like a speakeasy door here. So if you want to get a breath of fresh air, there you go. If you want to grab your package without opening the entire door, you can do so. Or if you need to speak to someone, you can do that as well. Okay, so now turning our attention to the foyer. Look at the tray ceilings and the exposed beams. Beautiful chandelier here too. Get the wide plank oak hardwood floors throughout the entire home. And then right here, you have your study. Look at the size of this. So you got your crown molding, the tray ceilings again. You have French doors. And look at the size of it. Perfect. So you are gonna have a storage closet here. You already got the built-in shelving ready to go. And at the time of this recording, the home is listed for 1.1 million. And for everything that you get in here, I believe it's an exceptional value. Got your coat closet here. So we'll work our way around. Trust me, we will get to the great room and the kitchen in just a moment. So look at the size of this room here. You got your walk-in closet. Incredible view of the front yard and the covered front porch. And plenty of room in the closet as well. So this is going to be a shared bathroom. Got the tub shower combo. You got quartz counters. Got the gold light fixture right above too. And the matte black hardware. But what you've all been waiting for, here you go. Let's go ahead and do a full pan and start in the great room. Wow, a lot of volume. Okay, so you have the floor to ceiling natural stone fireplace here. They already included the mantle. You got the vaulted ceilings, extends from the great room all the way to the kitchen. You got your sliders over here to the left. Look how cozy and intimate it is. You can see the foyer from this angle. Now, transitioning to the kitchen, dual islands here, massive pendant lights. You see the glass panes in the cabinet fronts. You got stacked cabinetry as well for additional storage. Taj Mahal quartzite counters, my absolute favorite. You have the under cabinet lighting as well, two-tone cabinetry. You see the stained oak here, partial overlay cabinets, and then all the drawers that you'd ever need. You even have accent lighting right here in the islands on both of them as well. Undermount sink, got your slot right here for the refrigerator, double ovens. You got your range top here. And I love the custom vent hood. You see the stained wood trim and detailing. Really neat. So you notice the Taj Mahal quartzite up the backsplash as well. And look at this incredible view. I'm telling you, I don't think you'd get tired of that. So dishwasher on the left of the sink. Got your trash drawer on the right. And look at the way it complements one another. So you got your spice rack on the left side of the range top. And look at that. Outstanding. 6 burners here. And you have a lot of space in the kitchen to accommodate. Now, automatic lighting, right when you walk in, you see they extended the quartzite here too. Even the glass panes in the cabinet fronts back here. So a nice working pantry. They included the sink. And then that stained oak cabinetry. So a ton of shelving available. Outstanding. Now you have a huge dining area here. Modern light fixture. You got your 8-seater dining table rather. You got the egress windows there. You can open that up. Outstanding. Look at the home from this angle. I try my best to hit every angle possible. That way everything comes full circle for you. Now imagine you have the guests over and they're outside. They need to walk maybe 1 or 2 steps and head to the half bath here. Got your leathered counters, the stained wood cabinetry, alabaster sconces here, and beautiful tiling. Storage closet here. And then access to the back. Just wanted to give you a sneak peek. We'll see a lot more of that at the end of the tour, as we always do. Let me get you a better close-up on the custom vanity here. Outstanding. I'll show you that room in just a moment. This would be coming in from your garage. So you got your mud room here. Don't have to trek any mud throughout the entire home. And then your spacious 3-car garage. They already included the epoxy floors here. You can open up the garage doors, get yourself out there to the driveway. You have all the room that you'd ever need. Okay, so now I'm getting right here to a nice bonus room. So they do have a closet in here. So if you prefer, you could use it perhaps as a bedroom, but most folks would use it as a game room. Got the double doors leading you here and right there. So it really just depends. But you can obviously have the game room or at least the pool table in there, the ping pong table. You know I love to say that, or maybe all of them, right? Okay, so we'll start over here to the left. This is leading to the primary bedroom. So let's go ahead and take a look at that first. Okay, So you have your king size bed, your 2 nightstands. Look at this space here again. You see the crown molding, you have recessed lights there too, and the tray ceilings. So overall, you really have that expansive feel that a lot of folks are looking for, especially in a primary bedroom. Now, heading to the ensuite. Look at the space here as well. His and hers vanities. You got the cosmetic vanity there to the left, vaulted ceilings. You got the exposed beam, massive wet room there. I'll show you that in just a moment. You got quartz counters in here, partial overlay cabinetry, matte black hardware, and then you see they included the mirror frame on both of them. So look at the space. I know I get mixed reviews as far as the wet room with a freestanding tub inside of the shower, but we can all agree we've been seeing that quite often. So someone's liking it. Porcelain tile here, a lot of room. This is 0 threshold as well. And then of course, that ledge there. And you have that privacy glass. So that's definitely good to see. Water closet to the right. So this is our first closet. It seems like a lot of the homes we've been touring are only coming with 1 closet. So the fact that this does have the his and hers closets, I'm excited. So you got your built-in mirror there, even some drawers on this side, all the room in the world. And then, quite frankly, feels like it almost extends to the ceiling. All right. And our next closet. So for convenience sake, it connects to the laundry room, glass panes again, and then the accent lighting to illuminate the wardrobe. All right, so let's continue. So plenty of space for the oversized washer and dryer. You got counter space galore. You also have the undermount sink, some shelving right above, and then you can always add the folding counter. Look at the size of the drawers here. And I love these quartz here. You see the gold veins. Really spruces up the space. Okay, so now got another shared bathroom here. The same quartz tub shower combo and the beautiful light fixture. Let's start over here to the left. Got a massive window here. You got all the room for the queen size bed. You got your modern LED ceiling fans. So this is the first time we've been out here, or at least showcased the property here in Granbury. I had an opportunity to go through the town, really charming, something you really have to see for yourself. So if you are in the area or you're looking for properties, I highly recommend checking this area out, seeing if this is something you could raise a family in or spend, 10 plus years. I doubt you would regret it. And this will bring you right back out here. Beautiful. So it looks like we about covered it. Been getting nothing but positive feedback about bringing one-story properties to the channel, which is certainly understandable. So hopefully you like this one as well. Generous size covered backyard patio here. Plenty of space for the pool. As you can see, you can add that grill down the road. And again, everything is negotiable in real estate. So if something that you want to be built prior, that's always a conversation that can be had. I love that they extended this section here. Remember, you can enter that half bath right over there. You got a nice little covered section, as you can see, even the modern wall lights too. And look at this. Really peaceful out here, I tell you. And then over here, you got a walkway to get you to the driveway. I might as well go ahead and show you that now. Outstanding. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful luxury home tour. All right, family, that was it for this beautiful luxury home right here in Granbury, Texas. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this beautiful property. Is this something you can see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? And if so, please let me know in the comments below. If you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.